This video covers the piping component editor form within AVEVA E3D 2.1. Add pipe 200-B-4 and connected equipment to the 3D view. The flanges and gaskets need to be added to head and tail of the pipe. Note, when creating components at the head or tail of a branch, the branch must be the current element. Indicate the pipe in the 3D view. This will navigate to the branch level in the Model Explorer. Click the Create Component button to display the piping component editor form. Click the flange from the Standard Components section of the form. Select the weld neck flange, S-type of WN. With the Width Flow button selected and the Auto Create checkbox checked, click the Connect button to create the flange and gasket. Use the component sequence list to navigate to the branch level. Click the Against Flow button. The component pointer moves to the tail position. Click the Connect button to create the flange and gasket at the tail. Use the component sequence list to navigate to flange 1 at the head of the branch. Click the elbow from the Standard Components section. With the default S-type of EL90 set, click the With Flow button followed by the Connect button to create the elbow. The second elbow of the same S-type can be created by clicking the Connect button again. Navigate to flange 2 at the tail of the branch. Click the Against Flow button. With the S-type EL90 selected, click the Connect button to create the elbow at the tail. Perform a save work.